Students, so here we are to discuss the question answers of chapter 1 from the book Prince Without Feet, and the title of our chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. We already have discussed the summary and explanation of the chapter. Now this is the time to discuss question answers. As I have been telling you time and again that we will not be writing much question answers, so many question answers in our notebooks. So just from the previous book, we were writing the questions that were given in the thinking about text sections. And as far as this book is concerned, so we'll be doing think about it. There are 2-3 sections given at the end of the chapter. First is think about it. Second is talk about it. So one or two questions will be taking from talk about it, but most of the question will be doing from think about it. I'm telling you just at the beginning of this book so that you may not get confused again. So please follow the instructions and let us now discuss the question answers. This is the first question. What kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Now, this is just one sample answer. Now that you have understood the summary and you have understood the explanation, so you always can write answers according to your understanding. So following one example, let us understand what is given here in the answer. What kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? So let's deal with the first part. The narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is a very compassionate and an honest man, as he does not unnecessarily operate upon Tricky. Second part says, would you say he's tactful as well as full of common sense? So you can see he was honest, because if he wanted, he could have got a lot of money from Mrs. Pumphrey, because she would not have hesitated. So definitely he was a compassionate man. He goes out of the way to guide Mrs. Pumphrey that she should start keeping a strict check on Tricky's diet and his exercise schedule. Now the second part, he is tactful because he knows how to get Tricky to the hospital, and his common sense can be seen by the simple fact that he just changed the eating and exercise schedule of Tricky, which helped him recover from his problems. He did not unnecessarily put him on medicines or perform the surgery. So this is how we are supposed to attempt the first question. Just read the question statement, what does it say to you, and answer it simply. This is question number 2. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Now, such kind of questions, do you think, they always depend on you and your understanding and your creativity. They are open-ended questions, so you people can answer accordingly as per your conscience tells you the answer. So the one answer can be this. Do you think Tricky was happy? Yes, Tricky was as happy to go home as much as he was staying in the surgery. So he was happy living at both the places. He was staying in the surgery because he got many friends which he did not have at home, and was happy to go back home because he did not have his lavish lifestyle at the surgery. His excitement to go back home can be seen from the fact that as soon as he saw his mistress, he jumped back into the car and started licking her face and roaming around in excitement. You see, pets are very loving. Then the second part is answered here. What do you think will happen now? Now, so many things can happen. Your imagination, your creativity, your experience can tell you so many things. So out of those so many things, a few of them are here. I think now he will be fine at home, as well as because earlier Mrs. Pumphrey did not take Mr. Harriet's advice seriously, which led to Tricky's hospitalization. So maybe now Mrs. Pumphrey would be taking care of the diet. She would not be overfeeding the dog, and she would be indulging the dog in some sort of exercise routine. You can add on these points also if you wish. Next question is, do you think this is a real life episode or mere fiction, or is it a mixture of both? So this can be any. It can be a real life episode, it can be a fiction, or it can be some part real life, some part fiction. So let's see what the answer tells us. I feel that this story is a mixture of both because it is not a new thing that rich people overfeed their dog or maintain excessive wardrobes for their pets. But for a doctor to go out of his way to help another person who doesn't want his advice is unusual. A doctor being so honest that he doesn't wrongly treat the dog and instead just works on him by keeping him in his surgery and tracks his health by feeding him less and maintains a regular exercise schedule seems to be more of a fiction. So, this is one sample answer. You can find out or write down another suitable answers as per your choice. These are the 3 questions from this chapter that you'll be attempting in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Now we'll be meeting in the next lesson for next chapter.